Do you feel behind because of artificial intelligence? Do you think that you will lose your job or you will become irrelevant in your career because of artificial intelligence? Then listen to this. Hi everyone, I am Kunal Seth. I am a clinical psychologist. A lot of my clients today are looking for jobs, diversify in their careers. And one of the primary concerns they have is that they will become irrelevant. So what is happening here? Panic is a terrible career advisor. You have to ask yourself, who is your career advisor? Is it your anxiety? Is it your panic? Our brains treat rapid change like danger. Something is changing and it is not good. What does a job give us? It gives us income, it gives us identity, it gives us safety. We feel that this change is happening very fast, that as if everyone in the world is automating and knows this AI except me. So, the first thing to understand is that we need to challenge this personal inadequacy. So, it is not about how you learn AI, it's about how you respond to this feeling that I'm not good enough. There are three factors which is troubling people today. Will I matter anymore? Everyone else understands this, not me. The future is being decided and I'm not a part of it. So, what we do is that we start into an urgency mode, a doom scrolling mode, and a burnout mode. We don't need to do that. None of this will lead you to achieve what you want. The more you panic, the more you will become replaceable. Because when people panic, they start rushing, they start learning everything. Maybe I'm going to opt for these three courses and do it together. There will be constant comparison, and we will quit long term skills building. We will chase tools in our CV instead of building value. So, fear, it makes us move fast. But strong careers are not built by people who move fast, but who move strategically. One thing is very clear. Yes, AI is powerful, but it is not going to replace entire professions overnight. So jobs will not disappear as fast. Tasks might change, but we need humans who think. The best strategy is not to compete with AI. There is no need to compete with AI. The focus needs to be, how do I work with it? How do I work with this skill? For example, a few decades back, we never had internet. We never used internet. But when internet came, it felt exactly like AI. But if you see now, we can use it very easily. It did not replace anything. It made some tasks easier. But did it stop having people in different professions? Did finance professionals move out? Did marketing professionals move out? Did sales professionals move out? No. So AI is just like internet. It is a new trend and skill, and we will learn it gradually. So very important that you ground yourself. You are not behind. You are witnessing a shift in a trend like everyone else. Social media makes it look like it's a secret WhatsApp chat group that you were not invited to. You don't need to master AI. You just need to adapt it gradually, which you are already doing. You might already be using ChatGPT or some tools for something or the other. I use that a lot. But what is important is that you become active in your learning. If you're feeling insecure, it means maybe you're not learning. So take a fresh start. Don't compete with AI. Adapt to it. And AI will never replace your job. It will only make some skills replaceable. But no one can replace you. So believe in that.